guys, welcome back to my channel and also welcome to Beauty Bible. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the most common yet most unfollowed makeup rules of all time. I have 10 rules jotted down, and yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Now, rule number one is moisturization. This is the most talked about yet the most unfollowed because I have seen so many people just put on foundation without putting on a moisturizer, and I'm just in shock like, what are you doing to your skin? So please do not do that. Please moisturize your face. Of course, start with a face wash first clean your face thoroughly, and after pat drying it, please use a moisturizer and then go in with the makeup. Also, you should be applying primer in between, but if you're a beginner, let's just start with a face wash and then moisturizer. So my favorite moisturizer is Pond's gel moisturizer or Vaseline Glutathione, or I have also heard a lot about Kiehl's moisturizer, which is so good. I've heard so many things about it, but I haven't tried it because I have been stuck to Pond's one forever. I've been using it forever. I can't unuse it now. Beauty Bible rule number two is having an eyeshadow primer, and the best eyeshadow primer that you can have is your concealer. You do not need to invest in another a tube of primer or anything. Please, that is just money down the drain. So please don't do that. Just apply your concealer on your eyelids, blend it, pat it with a compact powder or a loose powder, and you're good to go as your eyeshadow primer. And our eyeshadow is just gonna run so smoothly, blend so beautifully, and you're gonna look so pretty. Beauty Bible rule number third is always hydrate your lips. We talked about the face moisturization. Of course, many people do it, many people don't. Now you have to do it. But I haven't seen anyone talk about lips hydration. Like, your lipstick looks like crap, people. Please, I don't want to be mean, but I don't know, this just disgusts me to my core that people don't use lips moisturizer because um what okay, if you're gonna use like a liquid lipstick, cream lipsticks are fine, but if you're gonna use a liquid lipstick, it's gonna show, like your cracks are gonna be cracking, and it's gonna look so chapped and so disgusting. I can't even imagine it. It just grosses me to the max. So please use like a lip balm, or Vaseline is pretty much very Vaseline is like multi-usable products, and you can obviously use it for your lips as well. So some of my favorite lip balms are Vaseline Rosy Lips. Second is Sugar, and the third is Sugar Pop. And I have also tried Kylie Cosmetics lip butter. It is also very nice. But let's be in the drugstore range, and you can definitely use Sugar Pop, or Vaseline. I love especially Sugar and Sugar Pop because they give beautiful tint with hydration. Because Vaseline Rosy Lips is very nice and it gives very minimal tint. And if I wanna wear it like outside, because I don't wanna do makeup every single day, it's summer, you know. And if I wanna wear it outside, Vaseline Rosy Lips is more of a subtle one, and yeah, I just need like some tint. So I think for me personally, I like Sugar Pop and Sugar because, yeah, of course, I talked about tint as well, and they moisturize just like Vaseline. They are just as good as Vaseline, so you can definitely check them out. Now, rule number four is less is really more. Please, I know you don't believe in it, but please do, because I am an experienced what do we say, makeup, I won't say makeup artist because I literally learned it like 2 years ago, but I have been doing makeup since my teenage years, and I'm 21 now. Damn. And I've been doing makeup since I was like 15, I think. So earlier I used to apply, I didn't like apply concealer at all. I just used to apply tons of like pumps of foundations, and it oh my god, when I think about it, traumatizes me to my very core. But please do not get into quantities, like get into like maximum quantities. Please, it's a scam. Trust me. If you're going for a high coverage look, like if it's a big event or your wedding, of course you're gonna do like more is more. But don't like on everyday basis, or like dinner parties or going to the mall or movies, please don't do a lot. It does not look good. Like up close your face, it doesn't look good. So yeah, stick to less is more. Beauty Bible rule number 5 is good mascara is a game changer. Trust me. Like this mascara that I'm actually using Kylash by Kylie Cosmetics, and I love it so much. Again, I have bunch of recommendations for you. The first one is of course Kylash. Second one is a waterproof one, but it works phenomenal, which is Faces Canada, and it is also drugstore. Faces Canada volumizing lengthening mascara. So I will link the products down in the description. Of course, you can check it out from there. And the third one is Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It is beautiful, beautiful mascara ever. And also, I have recently tried the Charlotte Tilbury one, and I love it. That mascara fans my lashes out like ah, a magic. Like I love it. You should definitely give that a try. Rule number 6 is clean up after eyeshadow and your lips. Um, yeah, this is not a very common rule. I mean, it should be, but it's not because people don't do it as much. But it is very easy. Okay, I'll show you how. Just grab a compact powder. My favorite compact powder is the MAC Studio Fix one. And what I do is I grab this a puff, so a powder puff. This is actually very cute. It was obviously pink in color, but with all the powder it is now like my skin tone. But it has a little bow lace here, and oh my god, it is super cute. I love it. My sister got this for me. Maximum of my videos, the products that I mentioned, my sister has got it for me, so you can say I'm spoiled like that. But moving on. So I just take a little bit on the edge of the powder puff, and what I do is I just take it and just swipe it across my liner or the eyeshadow line that we want, the snatched one, like this liner. Oh my god, this liner is so beautiful. So I just swipe it like this and it cleans up for me. Same with the lips. I take it just a little bit, do a little line across my lips like this, and same with the, I'm speaking now so I can't really do it, but same with like the upper lip as well. And that is a game changer. That makes you look so fresh, so clean, and like so sharp, and in a good way, not in a drag ugly kind of way. It makes you look very like skilled and presentable. Like cleaning up a little bit is gonna make you a makeup artist, like make you look like one, honestly. Even when I was not certified as a makeup artist, I used to do this as a makeup step, and people would really ask me like, have you done any course or something? Your makeup looks amazing. And I'm like, thank you. So yeah, clean up a little. So the next rule is don't forget your highlighter. I have seen so many people. My own mother doesn't like highlighter. She thinks that it makes her look a little darker than her regular skin tone, and maybe it can for some people if they don't choose like the right shade according to like their skin tone. Because if you're a little dark toned, I don't want to like I don't want to be a racist, but for information purposes I'm saying if a dark tone, please go for like goldenish highlighter. I think that would really enhance your beauty. And if you go for like a silverish or rose gold, I think that could make you look gray. Like it could really leave a gray cast and it wouldn't look good. So yeah, please just do that. And for me personally, I use rose gold plus golden highlighter. And my personal favorite highlighter till now is the Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. I have used a lot of high-end highlighters and a lot of drugstore highlighters, and I can most definitely say that this is my favorite highlighter. This is in molten gold, and its rose gold also is very nice. But me personally, I like the molten gold one. I am wearing it right now. As you can see, I'm glowing like beautiful. So yeah, you should really try highlighter and don't be afraid of it. It is only gonna enhance you, not gonna degrade you. Just choose the right shade. Next rule is blend till your hand falls out. This is the key to flawless base. Today only I shot a video on how to master your base. I think it is gonna be the next one, or you would have actually seen it earlier. So yeah, I have said a lot in that video about blending, and I stand by every single word of it. And I think you should really see it, because you're gonna understand what blending means. Because without blending, your makeup is gonna look shit. No matter how skilled you are, how good of products you use, if your blend game is not strong, like your makeup is gonna look like crap. So yeah, please don't just rush into things. Please take some time out and blend your makeup nicely, and then proceed with your eyes and lips and highlights and everything. Next rule is fixing spray is a must. I don't care how late you are, I don't care how light of a makeup you do or heavy makeup you do, fixing spray in every single makeup look is a must. Because if you're doing it in summers and you're going out for an event or a wedding, oh my god, your makeup is gonna fade so much. Like, I have seen so many beautiful, beautiful ladies and girls that in the beginning of wedding they look so bomb, and during the end, like after dance and everything, you can't even recognize them, because the makeup, it just comes off, and it comes off very like unflattering way. I can't really explain it. You're gonna have to experience it like firsthand. I really hope you don't. So that is why I use a fixing spray. My personal favorite is MAC, and I've heard a lot about Urban Decay, and also the Charlotte Tilbury. Charlotte Tilbury one is really nice. My sister always vouches for it. Now, last but not the least rule is, this is also very common and you should never do it. If you do it, you're a horrible, horrible person. If you sleep in your makeup, we are not friends. Like, I hate you forever. Like, okay, I don't hate you, but I will obviously like scold you, because that one thing is just out of my mind. Please do not ever, ever, ever do that in your life. And if you did, it's okay. Forgive yourself, I forgive you, and move on and don't do it. Because sleeping in a makeup is one of the most disgusting things you can do to yourself. And if you're doing it to yourself after watching this video, there's no coming back for you. You're literally gonna ruin your skin texture. Do not, do not sleep in your makeup. Okay? Promise me. Good. Okay, so these were all the rules in my beauty bible, and I could actually make it series, because there are not enough makeup rules to like complete it in a one single video. So I can definitely like make it a series. I'm gonna have to think about it, and you can also show some love, and I will consider making another video on this. And I hope this video helped you, and I'll see you in the next one. So till then, take care. Bye.